This is Jax and Sparky, and they are best friends. Say hi. He is one of the sweetest little guys, and he loves his sister. Yeah, I do. That's my sissy. And it's so funny because when they're all together, there's one particularly that thinks she's dominant in the crate. And if she plays too rough with Sparky, Jax is right there to take care of business. They're good buddies. But there's your baby. Say hi, Mama in Florida. I'm coming home in 2 weeks. I'll be home in 2 weeks. Where's your sissy? Yeah, might be. And there's little Sparky. Of course, they love being close. They want to get right there, right on my leg.